Hello everyone, today we will starting working with our middle split and how to stretch and feel your body more. I will show you now some exercises, so stay with me and we will get started working. So first what you will do is warm up our legs before our splits. We firstly open our legs and back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back and 5. Stay and starting to do this exercise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, I will try take one leg on another leg and sit back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back and 5. Relax and feel our leg. So after you must do on another side because it's so important, but I will show you next. So we will take move and back, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Amazing work. Let's get seat and now we will try take our leg and push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Let's change. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Try take one leg, another leg. We take it more for ourselves. Sit and now we're starting to breathe and to move for our leg and back, 2, back, 3, back, 4 and 5. Good work. Then you try to do that exercise on another side, but we will continue. We're pushing more for our legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Let's try take our leg on the blocks and sit. And now what we are starting to do? We're starting moving our body first in one side, then in another. So 4 and 5. 6 and 7. Okay, good work. Take your breath, take your hands behind and try to push towards the floor. So take breath out and back, 2, 3, 4 and relax, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. After that we will try take our leg up. So 1, 2 and last one, 3. Good work. After you can try to do that on another leg, but we will take 2 legs together. Take our breath and slowly breathe out and relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me, take me likes and write me good comments. So bye bye.